Like an eagle in the sky. Like an eagle in the sky.
Hi and welcome to today's video. In today's video we want to show you our converted van that we built in the last 3 weeks. To show you what we've built and to show you some special gadgets.
Keep it up, stand firm, yo, and man up. Jack Dylan and Companian, man up, man up. Sometimes I wanna be alone.
I'm Marco, I'm from Tiny Homes, and together with Tiny we built and converted this van. So let's come and join me. I will show you our beautiful living and also kitchen room. Here you have a big plate to prepare your meals and your best delicious foods. Here underneath you have some space for your knives, for your spoons, everything you need for your cooking. And here underneath you have some more space, for example your pans or your eatings, your spaghettis, your pizzas. You have here some more space. In the living room you have here a lot of space to sit. So you have here a little bench and here one bigger, but those are not just easy normal benches, because here underneath it's a chest. So here you have space where you can put in your favorite sport things, your volleyballs and whatever you need. And also here you have some more space where you can put in for example clothing. Here in the right corner, and we'll see the second battery.
Hey, it's Timey while editing this video. The customer came back a little later and asked for a stand heater. So I explained to you the system real short. The secondary battery is connected by a separating relay to the starter battery. And under this wooden compartment you see here, we built in the diesel stand heater, which takes the electricity directly from this secondary battery and the diesel from the main diesel tank. The hot air gets blown out through this outlet right here, and you can control the heater with this control panel here. And now back to the room tour.
So here light switcher, and this here is connected with those two here on the top. You have one here and one lightning here, and those ones you can easily with this switch. Woo. Welcome! And here you have another special gadget. You have a phone charger, so you can take your phone, start to charging it whenever you need it, because this is connected with the second charging battery here. Okay, this is our living room, and now another special gadget that I want to introduce you is, if you are sitting here and preparing your meal and you're ready, you can just easily take this here out. Your guest, your wife, your man just can relax here on the little bench, and you can take out of the nowhere your table, link it in here, and can just enjoy your delicious meal that you cooked right before. And this one here, this is also not just a normal bench, because here inside you have a lot of space more. Take these two panels away and you have space where you can put in your clothing or your camping gas, kitchen preparer and whatever you also need. So here on the top you have more space where you can put in for example decorative things, your candlelights for the dinner. You have here space to put those in. So come on and join me, and I will introduce you to your bedroom. Your bedroom is here behind of the van. You will see it here. You have the relaxing space where you can put on your mattress. You have also extra space here on the top, and here also on the bottom, so that you can put in a bigger mattress and have more space for your head and your toes. And you also see here much more space, for example your luggage or whatever you need on the journey. And here, this wooden tablet, this is for your second mattress. Right now you're thinking, what's on with the second mattress? Come on, I will show it to you. So your second mattress, it's just there during driving, but if you're not driving you can just put it easily out and make it comfortable for your friends or whoever is with you on the journey. For this you can just easily take these drawers out here. You can take another wooden tablet. Put it here, right in the middle. And then just easily take these drawers out from here. Like this. And now you have more space for your second mattress, where your guest can make it comfortable. We so hope that you enjoyed the video. Thanks for joining us. We hope to see you soon. Bye bye!